Scam gold signals channels on Telegram use entry zones for a reason. They use that to fake their trading results, tweak the numbers, and appear profitable when in fact they are not. In this video, I will show you how this dirty scheme works and how to expose the scammers. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn how to find a trusted gold signals provider on Telegram. And first, I must admit that legit gold signals providers can use entry zones in their trades too. But in order to verify if they are legit, you will need to check this. Remember this simple rule: the wider is the entry zone of a trading signal in pips, the higher is the chance that a signal provider will use that to manipulate trading results. Let me show you how they do that and how to expose the scammers. Let's take this free gold signals channel on Telegram. Here's an example of a free signal that they provide. We see a signal to buy gold. The signal has stop loss, to take profits, and entry zone. You can see that this entry zone is quite large and is based on 50 pips range. The first red flag that you can easily spot exposing these scammers is the absence of exact entry rules. Scam signal channels will intentionally conceal their trading rules to manipulate the results and statistics. In that particular case, the rule is easy into it layer by layer with solid risk management. No need to rush, fellas. Patience is the game. What does it mean? No one knows. From the MT4 screenshot that is provided, we can easily notice that the majority of the orders are lying on the upper boundary of the entry zone. And we see an update that 30 pips of profits were made. In this case, there are no manipulations and the price truly bounced by 30 pips. But let me show you another free signal where this guy started to manipulate the numbers. Another free signal, this time we sell gold. Again, we have stop loss, to take profits, and entry zone. And this time, by the way, the entry zone is 60 pips wide. And also the signal contains a very strange recommendation. Take it easy, fellas. Layer your entries and remember to manage that money wisely. No need to go all guns blazing. Pace yourselves. Let's plot this trading signal on a price chart. Here's where gold price was when the signal was shared. On 1 minute time frame, we can see in details how this trading setup looks. We have an extremely large entry zone, stop loss, and to take profits lying very close to entry. Traders, don't miss my next free gold forex trading signal. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel now. The link in the description below. In 7 minutes, an update is provided, plus 35 pips gain. And on a screenshot, we can see how the orders are distributed. The majority are lying on the lower boundary of the entry zone and even lower. And let's see how many pips were really made. On our price chart, I also added the orders of our signal providers, so it would be easier for us to measure the results in pips. 35 pips of profit could be achieved only selling from that high. Only opening a short position from here, we would get 35 pips profit. While on a screenshot that was provided, there were no entries from that level. At the same time, our real gain from the lowest entry that this guy's got is just 11 pips. So where did they get this 35 pips from? In half an hour, another update is shared, plus 83 pips. Let's check the charts again. You can see that the price went through the entire entry zone and even rallied above that. When the update was provided, the price dropped just 13 pips below the entry zone. To achieve 83 pips gain, you should have entered the trade from the highest high of this bullish movement. Only selling from here, we would get this 83 pips. And again, on their screenshots with the orders, there are no orders lying on that price level. And why the hell we should enter above the entry zone? So this result is completely fake. And in 15 minutes, another update is provided. 90 pips in the bag. If we check how the price acted, we can see that the price went up straight to a stop loss level. So the trade should have been closed on a stop loss, or at least on break even. Our lowest low of the price was here, so I don't understand from where this guy's got got 90 pips of profit. That entire bearish move from that high to that low is in fact 87 pips. From where this guy's got 90 pips of profit, I don't know. This channel uses price fluctuations within the entry zones to manipulate trading results. For that reason, the wider is the zone, the easier it is for scam signal providers to tweak the statistics. 60 pips range of the entry zone lets these guys place their trades in arbitrary way to brag big wins then. While their trade did not reach even the first take profit, they lied saying that 90 pips of profits were made. If you join the gold signals group that uses entry zones, spend some time backtesting their signals. False profits reports will help you to easily expose the scammers. To find a trusted gold signal provider on Telegram, I suggest trying the signals of the groups that use one strict entry level, not the zone. Such signals are harder to manipulate and way easier to follow and backtest. For example, this guy offers free gold signals with one entry level, one stop loss, and one take profit. And the signals are always spot market orders. Such trades are way easier for execution, especially for the beginners, and you can easily test its result. Entry zones and gold signals are always a red flag. Don't let the scammers deceive you. Do your own testing before buying any VIP services from such signal providers. Let me curious, how do you expose the scammers on Telegram? Don't forget to subscribe to my free gold forex signals channel on Telegram, the link in the description below. Also curious, please don't forget to watch my other videos. I have a lot of guides for you explaining how to expose the scammers on Telegram in this playlist.